Hello friends, welcome back to India for IAS. In this video, we are going to study about an interesting topic called Pyrocumulonimbus Clouds. So this Pyrocumulonimbus Clouds, it falls under two GS. Usually we study clouds under geography, climatology part. So within geography, climatology. So this climatology and geography, it falls under GS1 paper. And these pyrocumulonimbus clouds, they are formed out of the wildfires and volcanoes. So wildfires and volcanoes. So this can also be included as a topic under GS3 paper environment. So within GS3 paper environment. So this topic is important for both prelims and mains. From prelims and mains perspective, ಈ topic ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆನಡಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈರ್ಸಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್, their characteristics and the process of the formation of pyrocumulonimbus clouds and its impacts, the probable impacts of the pyrocumulonimbus clouds, followed by one prelims practice question. So pyrocumulonimbus clouds are intense storm clouds. They are formed due to the extreme heat from wildfires or volcanic eruptions. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ವೋಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವೋಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಹೀಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಪೈರೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೈರ್, ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್. Cumulonimbus clouds are one of the forms of clouds. So these are rain-bearing clouds. Nimbus clouds, we have studied in geography that nimbus clouds are rain-bearing clouds. So such a types of clouds which are formed out of the wildfire or volcanic events, they are termed as pyrocumulonimbus clouds. So coming to the characteristics of the pyrocumulonimbus clouds, they can produce lightning. So then they can also generate their own thunderstorms, and they can reach heights up to 50,000 feet in the skies, and they can produce very minimal rainfall, and there is a further added risk of new wildfires in the areas where they form. So ಇದರರ್ಥ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸಿಡಿಲು ಮತ್ತು ಗುಡುಗನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಡಿಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಸಿಡಿಲಿನಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್. So this cloud, it has more smoke plume and it rises and it cools. After cooling, it forms the clouds. These clouds ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, so they cause intense lightning and thunderstorm. So ಈ ಸಿಡಿಲಿನಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Coming to the formation of pyrocumulonimbus clouds, the main requirement for formation of pyrocumulonimbus clouds is extreme heat requirement. So not all wildfires led to pyrocumulonimbus clouds formation. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಆದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಪೈರೋಕ್ಯುಮುಲೋನಿಂಬಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 800 degrees Celsius. Then only we can see the formation of pyrocumulonimbus clouds. Example for pyrocumulonimbus clouds is Australian bushfires in the year 2019 and 2020. So coming to the process of formation of pyrocumulonimbus clouds, as we have already discussed in the diagram. So the first phase is extreme heat released by forest fires. Then this forest fire, the smoke, it has an upward movement. So because of that smoke and associated moisture, there is a cooling and condensation. Then there is a formation of clouds. Since there is an extreme heat condition, because of that what happens, there is an evolution of pyrocumulonimbus clouds. So ಈ pyrocumulonimbus clouds ನ impact ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ there are new wildfires. So as already we have discussed, the pyrocumulonimbus clouds, they have potential to create lightning, intense lightning. This lightning, it causes new wildfires in the forest areas. One more associated impact is unpredictable fire spread. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಫೈರ್ ಆದಾಗ the forest authorities can predict its movement. If there is a pyrocumulonimbus clouds, then because of this, then there is a lightning and then there is a new wildfire which cannot be predicted by forest department. So now we will look into the increasing frequency of the formation of pyrocumulonimbus events and the potential causes for the same. So till 2023, there was an 102, on an average 102 pyrocumulonimbus clouds events every year globally. So what happens in the year 2023 itself, there are 140 recorded pyrocumulonimbus clouds in Canada itself, not the world. In Canada itself, there are 140. Before that, there used to be 102 pyrocumulonimbus events all over the world. But whereas in the year 2023, so this is before 2023. So this is in the year 2023, there are 140 such events in Canada itself. So there is an increasing frequency of pyrocumulonimbus clouds. Then what are the reasons for such an increase in pyrocumulonimbus cloud events? Is the first one is climate change. So rising global temperatures, they are contributing to more frequent and intense wildfires. So this is increasing the likelihood of the formation of pyrocumulonimbus cloud events. So the major contributor is climate change. Then the second one is atmospheric conditions. The occurrence also, the formation and occurrence of the pyrocumulonimbus cloud events also depends on specific atmospheric conditions that favor the development of clouds. So this is all about the pyrocumulonimbus clouds, their characteristics, formation and their impact. So based on the topic that we have discussed so far, that is pyrocumulonimbus clouds, here we have provided one prelims practice question which contains 4 statements. Go through all the 4 statements and comment your answer. The detailed answer and explanation for this question is available in the PDF handout which you can download by joining our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.